In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Behance videos easily and efficiently. Let's dive straight in. First, head over to Behance in your favorite web browser. Once you're there, start by searching for the specific video you want to download. Now, Behance is a fantastic platform filled with creative projects, so take a moment to browse and find that perfect video you need. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it to open the video page. Now that the video page is open, direct your attention to the web address at the top of your browser. This is the URL of the video you want to download. Simply click on the URL to highlight it and then copy it to your clipboard. You'll need this link in just a moment, so make sure it's properly copied. Next, open a new tab in your browser and perform a quick search for Behance Downloader. You'll find several online services dedicated to helping users download videos from Behance. Choose one of these from your search results. It's usually best to pick one that seems reputable and has good reviews to ensure a smooth downloading experience. Once you've selected a tool, click to open it. On the Behance Downloader page, you'll notice an input field. This is where you'll paste the link you copied earlier from Behance. Paste the URL into this field carefully and double check to see if there are no unwanted spaces or characters at the beginning or end of the link. Everything looks good? Great. Now with the link pasted in, you're just one step away from downloading your video. Look for the download button on the page and click on it. This will prompt the service to fetch your video from that URL. Depending on your internet connection and the service's speed, this may take a few moments, so please be patient. Once the video has been processed, the Behance downloader will provide you with a downloadable link. Click on this link to start downloading the video to your computer. Remember to save it in a location on your device where you can easily find it later, such as your desktop or a designated video folder. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a video from Behance. Remember, these downloaded videos are for personal use, so make sure to respect the creator's rights and ensure you have the proper permissions for any other intended use. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips and tricks.